Remember, son, don't shit where the human is. Shit where the human will be. Yeah. When is it the best time to sing loud and proud?
At 5:30 in the morning.
And where would you do that? Outside a human's window. Good.
But what if all the humans have gone into the house? Well, they're all under the roof.
There will always be a nice clean car parked outside. If it rains, don't go shitting on humans.
Not to get wet, Father?
For they will have umbrellas. Such a lovely day. Let's go to the park for a picnic, shall we?
Yes, that would be amazing. I love picnics. But wouldn't we have to go to the supermarket to get all the food?
Don't worry. The humans have done the shopping for us already. You got them to whistle?
Who? Who? Because it's so huge and like.
Not tongue, not tongue. Not tongue. You're doing this.
I was
not
not.
this. That's it, blow, not tongue. Blow.
It don't come out.
You've got to get it, son.
Alright.
You've got to get it. That's it. Hoo hoo. Hoo hoo.